Morning, sir. Morning, sir. Morning, sir. Morning, sir. Morning, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Rehan, Mr. Ahmad, and Mr. Adi. Thank you very much for this opportunity and for taking the time to be here today. I'm Repan and my friend Rizky as software engineer. We will present a Python-based payroll system that we developed to support the efficiency of employee salary management in this company.
That's right. The system is not only efficient and easy to use, but also designed to be flexible and can be adjusted to the needs of the company. Our solutions aims to address this challenge by offering a simple, scalable, and error-free method for payroll processing. By implementing the system, your business can save time, reduce manual errors, and improve employee satisfaction.
The payroll system is one of the important components in a company operation. With Python, we create a solution that is able to calculate employee salary that include employee names, basic salaries, overtime, bonuses, and taxes automatically, which is a few simple steps in designing a payroll program to using Python. So, without further ado, let's get started.
The first step is started by creating a function to request input from the user, such as employee name, basic salary, overtime hours, overtime rates, and bonuses. After that, calculate the salary with Python by calculating overtime pay, taxes to be paid, and calculating net salary after deducting taxes from the total salary. And finally, perform the calculation. Display details such as basic salary, overtime pay, bonuses, taxes, and net salary. This is an example of the appearance of the payroll results for employees.
In conclusion, using Python, we can create a custom payroll system that is reliable, automated, and tailored to specific needs. I hope the information shared has been insightful and helpful. If there are any questions or clarification needed, please feel free to ask.
Sorry, Mr. Rizky? This system sounds promising. Could you explain what about data security? Considering that employee salary data is very sensitive.
We understand the challenge, Mr. Rehan. This system uses data encryption to protect the sensitive information. In addition, we also implement two-factor authentication to ensure that only authorized parties can access the data.
What if there are changes in regulation, such as taxes or other deduction policies? Is this system flexible to adjust?
Thank you for your question, Mr. Ahmad. This system is designed modularly so that new rules can be easily entered without changing the entire system. So we can ensure that the system is well developed.
Okay, we are very interested in this concept.
The next step, can we try the prototype first before the implementation?
Of course, sir. We will demonstrate and try this prototype. We are also ready to accompany your team in testing the system to suit the company's needs.
Then, let's schedule a trial session next week.
We are ready to support this company towards better efficiency. Thank you for your attention and interest. We look forward to meeting again during the prototype trial phase. Good morning, Mr. Rehan, Mr. Ahmad, and Mr.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.